Hello and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on BLACKBAUD CRM. So if you're looking for a powerful customer relationship management, or what we call CRM, solution is specifically designed for nonprofits, educational institutions, and fundraising art organizations, then BLACKBAUD CRM might be the perfect fit for you. So in this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about BLACKBAUD CRM based on its official website. So we won't be logging into an account, but we will cover all the essential details, including its features, pricing, benefits, and how it can help organizations manage donor relationships more efficiently. So, if you're new to BLACKBAUD CRM or considering using it for your organization, then make sure to watch until the end. So let's get started. So now let's start with the section 1, which is what is BLACKBAUD CRM? So BLACKBAUD CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management system designed to help nonprofits and fundraising organizations build strong relationships with donors, track donations, and optimize fundraising efforts. So it also provides tools for donor management, campaign planning rather, reporting, and automation, making it a powerful solution for mission-driven organizations. So to explore the BLACKBAUD CRM, we just have to visit the official website at www.blackbaud.crm. So the website offers detailed information about the product, including its features, case studies, and customer success stories. So as you can see here, you can actually visit this and see it for yourself. Now, so BLACKBAUD CRM is primarily used by Number 1, the nonprofit organizations, the universities and educational institutions, also with the healthcare foundations, the faith-based organizations, and the arts and cultural institutions. So these organizations use BLACKBAUD to streamline their donor engagement and fundraising strategies. So many of these institutions rely heavily on donor contributions, making a CRM system crucial for maintaining long-term relationships with supporters. So by using BLACKBAUD CRM, they can ensure that their communication remains personalized and efficient. So it also helps them track donation history, so segment donors based on giving behavior and plan outreach efforts effectively. So with its ability to centralize all donor-related data, BLACKBAUD CRM enables organizations to make data-driven decisions that can lead to higher engagement and increased fundraising success. Additionally, institutions that host fundraising events or grant programs benefit from BLACKBAUD event management and grant tracking tools, ensuring that no opportunity is missed. So now let's proceed with the BLACKBAUD key features or the overview. So the BLACKBAUD CRM includes features such as the constituent management. So this one, it tracks the donor interactions and the relationship. They also have the feature of fundraising and campaign management. So this one, it helps plan and execute fundraising efforts. Now they also have the event planning tools. So it helps with the management of fundraising events and tickets sales. They also have the financial management. So this one, it integrates with accounting systems. And lastly is the data analytics and reporting. So this one, it provides insight into the donor trends and campaign performance. So now for the pricing and subscription options. So BlackBaud does not display standard pricing on its website because pricing varies based on the organizational needs. So it also based with the user count and required features. So if you're interested, then you need to contact the sales team for a quote. So if you want to see the BlackBaud CRM in action, you can actually request a demo. So here are the steps that you have to follow. First is you have to visit the BlackBaud CRM page on their website. So you have to search for www.blackboo.crm.com. So you just have to search that on your Safari or Google or Chrome. And then once you're there on the official website, you can click on the request a demo button. So you can actually see it in here, just like this one. And then after clicking on this, you just have to fill out the organization's details. And then after that, a BlackBaud representative will schedule a demo for you. So now let's talk about the donor management system. So BlackBaud CRM helps nonprofits track and manage donor relationships with number one, a centralized donor database. Second one is the tools to record past interactions and donations. And lastly is the segmentation features to categorize donors for targeted campaigns. So organizations can use BlackBaud also to set up and manage fundraising campaigns, also to track donation progress and donor engagement. And lastly is to create automated thank you message and donation receipts. So for the event management tools, so BlackBaud CRM offers tools like organize fundraising events, galas, and charity auctions. They also have the sell tickets and register attendees. And lastly is a track event performance and impact on fundraising goals. So now for the data analytics and reporting. So the CRM includes built-in reporting feature that analyze donation patterns and campaign performance. It also generates detailed donor reports and help organizations make a data-driven decisions. So for the grant management system, so BlackBaud helps nonprofits track and manage grants by monitoring application progress. It also tracks the funding received and the reporting deadlines. And lastly is ensuring compliance with grant requirements. Now let's talk about the automation and workflow. So to save time, BlackBaud actually automates the donor follow-up emails. So you can just set up it on the homepage or the dashboard of the BlackBaud. Now, it also automates recurring donations and payment processing. And lastly is a task reminder for fundraising teams. So for those people who don't know, BlackBaud also has a mobile accessibility. So the CRM is accessible on mobile devices. So this allows users to view donor profiles on the go, record interactions in real time, and manage fundraising activities remotely. So that's it for the BlackBaud CRM tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and nonprofit software guides. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!